So hey there, in this video I want to show you how to set up your document generation for an onboarding package letter, and we're going to use our new integration with Google Drive that allows you to select a Google Sheet for the data and a Google Doc for your template. I have my sample data in this sheet here. So I have company name, address, a date, employee name, and a few other fields, And I have my template formatted with the placeholders, with underscores, so I'm not using any spaces or any other signs actually. And this one is one word. And that's it for this one. Now going back to my document generation page. By default we have the device selected, so we can upload from our computer, but I'm going to select Google Drive and I'm going to open this, choose my Google account, and automatically it will detect the spreadsheets as data. I'm going to select this spreadsheet. I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to go to Google Drive, select my Google Doc, I'll authenticate again. I have my template selected. Now I can select my format. I'm going to select PDF because I want to create PDF files. Click select set field mappings, and our tool automatically detected all the field mappings because they were very similar. So we had company address and we had company address. So if the fields are very similar, you don't have to select them. If it misses, you might need to play around here. Now what I can do is create a custom file name for the files I'll generate. I'm gonna do company name, employee name, and I think I'm gonna do date, start date. I can preview the first document to see how it looks. Looks great, all the fields are there. I'm going to generate all documents. It will show me again the preview to confirm that everything is okay. I will confirm. And it's going to take a few seconds for the documents to be generated. If I don't want to wait, I can see that this is in progress, and I will also receive the generated documents via email. I'm going to click continue, and what I can do now is download the file and download this to my computer. Or I can save the files to our cloud. I'm going to create a folder on boarding Friday. Create, select, and all the files are saved here. So that's it for this demo. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're finding this useful. Cheers. Bye.